NCERT Solutions, Class 10, Maths, Chapter 7, Exercise 7.1, Question 8. Find the values of y for which the distance between the points P 2, minus 3 and Q 10, y is 10 units. Answer. We are given 2 points P of 2, minus 3 and Q of 10, y. And the distance between these 2 points PQ is equal to 10 units. Now let us use the distance formula. Distance between the 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is d is equal to root over x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. The given distance between the 2 points is 10 units. That implies 10 is equal to root over x1 y1 is 2, minus 3 and x2 y2 10, y. 10 is equal to root over x2 is 10 minus x1 is 2 whole square plus y2 is y minus y1 is minus 3 whole square. That implies 10 is equal to root over 10 minus 2 is 8 square plus y minus of minus 3 is y plus 3 whole square. That implies 10 is equal to root over 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. Squaring on both sides to remove square root on the right hand side. That implies 10 square is equal to root over 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. On the left hand side 10 square is 100 is equal to square and root gets cancelled, which is equal to 64 plus y plus 3 whole square. That implies y plus 3 whole square is equal to 100 minus 64, 36. Now apply square root on both sides. Y plus 3 is equal to root over 36. Root over 36 is plus or minus 6, because 6 square is 36 and minus 6 whole square is 36. And what does this say? It says that y plus 3 can be 6 or y plus 3 can be minus 6. Now let us find the y values. Send plus 3 to the right hand side. Y is equal to 6 minus 3, that is equal to 3. Send plus 3 to the right hand side. Y is equal to minus 6 minus 3. Y is equal to minus 9. So the solutions are y is equal to 3 or y is equal to minus 9. Therefore, the values of y for which the distance between the 2 points is 10 units are minus 9 and 3.